Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 8th. It's me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Bera Foundation College Noshar Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, in last lecture we studied about two types of database system, and in today's lecture we will learn about remaining types of database system. So dear students, as we studied in previous lecture that database system is the collection of data that is used by business use large amounts of data every day. So this comes from customers, suppliers, employees and the government, competitors and so on. So dear students, there are some types of database system. We studied transaction processing system and management information system in last lectures, and in today's lecture we are going to study about decision support system and expert system. So dear students, these topics based on the types of database system are present on book page number 109 and 110. So dear students, first of all, let's study about the decision support system. A decision support system is also a database system that not only process information in the form of reports and charts but also helps managers to find out the results of a particular decision. So dear students, ये जो decision database system है, decision support डेटाबेस सिस्टम में ये मैनेजर्स की फ़कत इसका जो प्रोसेस है वो इस हद तक महदूद नहीं है ताकि वो इंफॉर्मेशन को प्रोसेस करे, लेकिन उसका ये काम होता है, ये फंक्शन होता है ताकि वो मैनेजर्स की मदद करता है अपने रिपोर्ट्स को कंप्लीट करने में. So dear students, this type is known as the decision support system, and second one is expert system. An expert system is the most advanced type of database system. In addition to giving the results to the several options, an expert system also suggests a decision to a manager, and yes, might suggest that a manager fixes the price at Rs 10 because more customers will buy it at a lower price. So dear students, in today's lecture we have studied about the remaining types of database system. There are four types of database system. Number one is transaction processing system. Second one is management information system. Its abbreviation is MIS. And decision support system, we call it DSS in short form. And third one is expert system. Fourth one is an expert system. So dear students, in today's lecture our topics are winded up here, and in coming lecture we will study about the paperless office. So dear students, your homework is based on the coming up topic, that is on book page number 110. So dear students, you will study at your homes the topic the paperless office is you can easily understand, you will be easily understand you will be able to easily understand our topic in coming up lecture. So you will have to study at your home the topic paperless office on book page number 110. So dear students, our lecture is winded up here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class at Allah Hafiz.